What's it going to look like on Sunday? I don't have to check my odometer to tell you it's going to be a mess. Let's try something a little new and different. Eric's going to walk through the store. He's going to film everything that you need to see and everything that I can see, boots on the ground, exterior and interior. Have a look at that. I want you to note in the comments what you think is good and bad about this location. I'm going to give you my thesis at the end of the video, so don't fast forward. Watch this and let us know in the comments what's good and what's bad. So it's Wednesday, it's 5:30 p.m. We are literally on one of the busiest streets in Santa Monica right now. I've never been in this store. Let's see what we find out. Not bad. Coins. I hate bulletin boards. Get rid of the bulletin boards. Go check the other side and then we can talk about everything. It's nice. Weather's nice. It's pleasant in here. Lighting in the corners good. Light's good here. To say, biggest issue I see is the parking in this spot. A phenomenal location where you see lavanderia, laundry, right from the main drag here in Santa Monica. But what's it going to look like on Sunday? I don't have to check my odometer to tell you it's going to be a mess. And people here, they don't take the bus. It's LA. They drive. Is that something that you pointed out? We did show you the parking lot. Did you pick up on that? Parking is the biggest issue.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.